This is another in the series of about 5-minute videos identifying plants, trees, wildflowers in Val-des-Monts around our cottage. This is sugar maple. I actually tapped this sugar maple in the spring. There's 4 kinds of maples that I've identified in the area: sugar maple, red maple, straight maple, and only one so far, mountain maple. The tough part is differentiating sugar maple from red maple, which are the 2 common ones that are similar. Mountain maple is also hard to separate out, but I don't think there's many of them around here. So the main way I tell sugar maple apart from red maple is the notch in the leaves. It's a shallow U-shaped notch. It's not a sharp V, which it is in most cases of red maple. Here's another one, very broad notch. Maple leaves are arranged up in an opposite manner, so you can see that the 2 stems here come off at the same point on opposite sides of the branch, and similarly the petioles of the leaves come off in an opposite way. They're not staggered, they're not alternate. The bark is nothing really very specific about it. I find I wouldn't be able to say that this is a maple just from the bark. And I guess the other feature is, although it can get reddish, the stems, the petioles, the leaves, they don't seem to get as red maple does. This, on the other hand, is red maple. It's not as mature a tree, getting a little ragged because of the time of year. But if we look at the notches here, some of them are somewhat round, but you get these sharp ones. That's quite different. That's a V shape as opposed to a U shape. Similarly here, they're shallow maybe, but they're still more V shaped. You'll sometimes see what appear to be fairly U shaped, like on this little one here, so that can throw you off. But if you keep looking, this is what I find, you see that most of them are pretty sharp. Notches. And you can see that things are redder